Hello everybody, I'm Moth from Tech Tips here. In today's video, we'll learn about 2D lists, also known as 2D arrays in programming. So, in order to make a 2D list, it's basically just a list within a list. And I'll show you how that'll work. Now, you might be wondering, why do you need 2D lists? Well, the reason is because it's used a lot in AI and in data science. So I'll show you how to make it. So first, we just need to define the list. Now, this is very similar to a thing in math called a matrix. And it's basically just an array of numbers, and I'll show you what it is. So the list, I'll actually call this a matrix right now. After that, we'll make it equal to a list. After that, we'll have it like this, so that it now looks like this now. And after that, you'll put another list inside there in order to separate the numbers. Because in a real matrix, this is how the numbers look like. So as you can see, it is rows and columns of numbers. And it is basically just a type of data value that you can make in Python, but you do it with lists. So let's continue with the example. So like in matrices, we divide our numbers into rows. So after that, we do 4, 5, 6. After that, make sure to put a comma because they're of course still inside a list inside lists. After that, we got 7, 8, 9. Yep, there we go. Boom, boom. So now we have all our numbers here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after that, we have successfully created a matrix. I'll show you how to get items from the matrix using a loop. So we can actually use a nested loop for this. So let's say for lists, yep, and matrix. And after that, inside those individual lists, we'll say for I in lists. Then after that, we'll say print I out. So what we'll do is it'll go through this matrix. It'll see for every single list inside here. As for every single item inside of that list, it will print I out. So that's that, it'll go 1, 2, 3. After that, it'll print this. And so let's run this code. And as you can see, it did successfully print this all out. Now, we unfortunately cannot talk about the applications in data science AI, as you guys are not exactly ready for it yet. But we will get to it soon enough. See you guys in the next video. I didn't also